Hey, Eric the Bearded Tool Guy. This is my Saturday craziness. I'm going to be running all my impact drivers with battery adapters on flex batteries. And of course, one, I can't run that because I don't have an adapter, but I'll run a cobalt. So all my impact drivers are going to run on 24 volt flex batteries. This is a DCF 845 2-point flex battery. Let's drive a 4-inch timber lock. Okay, there goes one. Okay, now Metabo HPT WH18DB DL2. Hmm. Hmm. Wow. Get the Metabo right now. Okay. Rigid RA62312. This is their 2400 inch pound. This is the latest 4 mode. Flex 2.5 battery. Wow, that thing moved out fast. Okay, now let's run Milwaukee M18 Gen 4 with a cobalt battery because I don't have a flex battery adapter for this. Okay, let's redo this one. Okay, then let us run. This is my BAUER flex. This is a BAUER impact wrench 2085C BAUER. This has got a flex battery on it. Okay. Okay, let's run another one. Since the Metabo's fucked up. That's sideways. That did too easy. Okay, let's go in here. like I say, I even got adapters for these cheap BAUER tools. You realize this little 2.5 amp battery costs more than the whole tool? This battery's probably 60 bucks. The tool was only 40 or 50. Okay, now, as long as we're doing that, now, ah crap, I got other ones I'm running. As long as we got that one here, let's put it back on. Let's run these 5-inch ledger locks. Okay. I knew I dropped some more bolts here. Looks like this one I dropped about a month ago. All these fucking weeds. Maybe I can fucking see something. Yeah, I should say this is about a month ago. Okay. Now, since we did that now let's take that, put that in my pocket, put this back on the Gen 4 Milwaukee, and run this ledger lock. Okay. Now, let's run the rigid with a ledger lock. This is the highest powered impact driver they make. Okay. Then we'll run the DEWALT DCF 845XR with a 5-inch ledger lock. Okay. Still, let's see what's going on with this. Apparently it's draining the battery. Wow. Let's just run around a timber lock. This is acting up. Useless. Okay. Somehow it's draining the battery. Maybe I'll swap out a battery. Let's see here. Nope. Try a regular battery on the Metabo. Doesn't sound good. Yeah. Never mind. Okay. Last thing to do now. Since we're down to 4 tools. This is going to be a little bit longer video than usual. Me making long videos is about normal. You don't want me talking politics. That'd be 5 hours later, so let's stick with tools. Make more friends with tools than politics. Okay, now the DEWALT XR DCF 845, and it's still got a full charge on the Flex 2.5 battery. And we are going to run these 6-inch, they call these like lags. This is a T30. Okay, let's pull that out. Okay, we ran the DEWALT. Now let's go to the rigid R8623112. It's R862312. This is their 4-mode 2400 inch-pounds. Okay, this is like a 6-inch. They call this a 6-inch like lag. Okay, now we ran that. Now let's run the Milwaukee Gen 4. It is a 2953-20. with a 4 amp ultimate output cobalt battery. I don't have a flex battery adapter for the Milwaukee, but that's going to be coming. This thing is fast, but it ain't that fast. Okay, now what we will do, now we will run the BAUER. Told you, T30 it says. That's what these legs are. These are legs, they call them. We'll run it to BAUER with the flex battery. Let's run another one. BAUER is actually a pretty nice tool with a battery that costs more than the tool. You realize this battery is probably at least 50 bucks, and the tool is about 50 bucks. Okay. Now we'll take all this out in another video with probably the rigid. Eric the Bearded Tool Guy signing off.